Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project video. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project Password-Based Electrical Appliance Control, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. Let us take a look at how it works. You can develop this interesting project by following the simple steps provided in one of the blogs on electronicsforyou.com. Kindly find the link in the description of this video. This project helps you in adding a layer of security with your electrical appliances. The electrical appliance will turn on only if the correct password is applied. For example, you can set up this circuit at your main doorbell and secure your home with a password-based doorbell. The components used to develop this project are 74LS32 quad to input or gate IC, 74LS00 quad to input, NAND gate IC, 74LS04 hex inverter, a NOT gate IC, and 74LS02 quad to input NOR gate IC to set up the password code. ULN 2003 relay driver IC, which works in tandem to ensure the correct functioning of the setup. A 5-volt relay to turn on the electrical appliance when the correct password is fed to the circuit. 8 on-off switches to feed the password. 60-watt, 230-volt AC bulb working as an electric appliance. In the prototype, we have used a buzzer as an electric appliance. Let us see the demonstration of this project. We are not using any switches in our prototype. We have set up the correct code in the circuit with the help of logic gate ICs. Since the correct password is fed in the circuit, the buzzer will start blowing on connecting the power supply. Now let us remove a wire from here and disturb the set password. You can see the buzzer stops on doing this activity. Interested in developing your own password-based electrical appliance control system? Kindly click on the link provided in the description of this video to get a complete circuit diagram and a detailed explanation of the project. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.